What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Now. We're getting ready for the third break of the day. It is our 4-box triple up break. It's a nice little lineup here, and what we've done was only 10 spots up for grabs. Each spot gets you 3 teams. So I think it should be a nice break. We got a box of Hit Parade Limited, always a favorite. 15-16 Premier, nice little product. And then we got 16-17 Ice and Playbook. So nice lineup altogether. Teams are happening right now. 10 people. Everyone gets 3 spots live. Good luck. Here we go. It is 8:27, and as you'll see, everyone got their 3 names in a row. Kyle, Kenny, Michael, Brennan, Patrick, Rob, Ryan, Jamie, Andrew, and Adam. And then followed by our teams, Anaheim to Winnipeg. We don't need Vegas. If we happen to, I don't think we'll do. We'll match them up with Minnesota. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 8:27. 8:27, last and final random. Last and final random says 8:27 and 8:27 it is. So Florida down to Winnipeg. Florida to Winnipeg and San Jose to Chicago. And there's your teams. Let's match up some names. 8:27 still, about to turn 8:28. Kyle down to Adam. 1, 2, 3, timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 8:28. 8:28 it is. We're on our last and final random. Good luck. Last and final timestamp here is 8:28 and 8:28 it is. So Brennan, top spot. Daly is at the halfway mark. And then we got Daly to Jamie. All right, folks, here's your teams. I'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in 10 minutes for the break. Good luck.